Hi, this is Jlbmixes90210, and I was going to show you the basics of if you're loading up your own project, is to put in the samples and or take things from the sample and put them into the trig steps. So I've got the basic project I'm going to load. Got EDM here because presets, obviously I want to just start fresh, so do that. I've got a basic pattern going. All those sounds I took out of here by double tapping, and then you can just load it up by pressing yes, but there's no steps in here, but it's so easy to do. Just click on that one, go to sounds, down on the arrow, yes, and you've got sound browser, you go yes, and you can select all the sounds you need. So you go like that a few times, take some really cool sounds out. This is just an example, and then you press yes again. No, you press left on the arrow, and you've got copy to at the top, and you've got sample, which is at the top, and then you press yes again. So now if we go to the menu, go there, we can add them in. But there's a quicker way of doing it. If you want to do it quicker, it's a certain sequence of movements of buttons. You go to the sounds again, yes, sound browser, and if you want to select, you can go yes, 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 and you just double tap that, tap that once there, sorry, and yes, yes, do yes, yes. You can do that so quick. 8 sounds copied straight away. So if I want to like do some more, I have to get off that first. I can do more and then go 16, 18 more sounds copied. So it's as easy as that basically. So I've got, lots more to choose now from the menu. Sorry, we're on live recording here. You get the example anyway. So thanks for watching, and this is Jlbmixes90210, and how to do the samples.